Want to capture screenshots on Windows 11? You are in the right place. We have got some simple and effective methods to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we will walk you through the best ways to capture screenshots on Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Press Print Screen key. Taking screenshots using the print screen key is the most traditional method, allowing you to manually paste and edit the image in an application. Press the print screen key to capture the entire screen. Open an image editing app like Microsoft Paint or Adobe Photoshop. Paste the image by pressing Ctrl+V or using the paste option. Save the image if needed. To capture only the active window, press Alt+Print Screen and paste it into an app. Method 2. Press Windows key plus print screen. If you want to take a screenshot and save it automatically to your local drive, this method is the easiest. Press Windows key plus print screen to capture the full screen. The screen will briefly dim and the screenshot will be saved in Pictures then Screenshots. The image is also copied to the clipboard for pasting. Method 3. Set up print screen to automatically save to OneDrive. This method saves your screenshots directly to OneDrive, eliminating the need for manual pasting. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. Click on the gear icon, then select Settings. Go to the Sync and Backup tab. Toggle on the Save Screenshots I Capture to OneDrive option. Screenshots will now be saved automatically in the OneDrive/Pictures/Screenshots folder. Method 4. Use the game bar to capture screenshots. Gamers and content creators can use the Windows game bar to capture screenshots and recordings. Press Windows key plus G to open the game bar. Click the capture window and tap the camera icon. Your screenshots will be saved in this default location. C:/users/username/video/captures. You can also open the game bar, then check the gallery. Then click on a particular image and then select file location. You will be redirected to the captured folder inside videos. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key plus Alt plus print screen to capture without opening the game bar. Method 5. Use the Snipping tool. Windows 11 Snipping tool provides more flexibility, allowing you to capture specific areas of the screen. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the Snipping tool. Click on the Snipping mode icon to choose a screenshot made. With rectangular mode, you can drag to select an area. Selecting the window mode, you can click on the window to capture. With the full screen mode, you can capture the whole screen. Using the free form, you can draw any shape to capture. The screenshot is copied to the clipboard and can be edited in the Snipping tool. You can also edit the image in Paint. For that, select the image and you can choose Edit in Paint. If you want to save the image, you can save it by pressing Ctrl+S. You can also choose to save the image by clicking on the Save As option. Click on the file name field and type a name for the image. Then click the Save As Type drop-down menu and choose the desired image format. You can select the PNG format for a good quality image. Then click on the Save option and your image will be saved. Method 6. Use third-party tools. In addition to built-in options, third-party tools offer a simple and efficient way to capture screenshots. Lightshot is such a popular and easy-to-use third-party screenshot tool for Windows. Now, here is how you can use Lightshot to take screenshots. Go to Lightshot's official website, download the installer and install the software on your PC. Once installed, Lightshot will replace the default print screen key function. You can also launch it from the system tray by clicking on the Lightshot icon. Press the print screen key on your keyboard. Your screen will dim and you can click and drag to select the area you want to capture. After selecting the area, you will see a toolbar with options to draw, highlight, add text or arrows. Click the Save icon to store it on your computer. You can also use the Copy button and click on the Upload button to share via a unique link. And that's it. That was how to take screenshots on Windows 11. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment below to share which method helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.